How to change regions on Steam 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open a VPN to change the country of yours, let's say United States, and whenever you open it, then you can go to your Steam account and just reload the Steam page from here, and then you just have to simply click on the user details from here. You just have to click on store preferences from them, and then you can click on account details from here, and there's the option called update store country. As you can see, you just have to simply click on here and reload it multiple times, and try to use a VPN, a paid VPN. And if you are not or unable to use paid VPN, try to use a VPN that is strong enough to work on any websites. So that's it for this video. That's how you can change regions on Steam. See you on the next video, guys.